Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful stone crafts ideas. So I hope you enjoy my videos. So friends, let's start today video. So viewers, my first idea is friends, viewers, one of the easy projects is a paper wallet. Arrange smooth stones into the shape of a family, birds on a tree, or people's holding hands. Add a simple background and place it in a wooden frame. This artwork look elegant and meaningful. Another wonderful idea is a paint pebble stone. Use recycled paint to create flower, animals, vanilla, smiley face, or tiny landscape paint. Pebbles make beautiful decoration for your home or garden. You can also create pebble coaster. Glue small flat stone into a chalk or wooden base. This natural coaster are strong, stylish, and perfect for protecting your table. A creative garden project is a making garden stone marker. Paint the names of flower, herbs, or vegetables on smooth pebbles. These markers are useful and add a charming touch to your garden. Another fun craft is pebble candle holder. Decorate a glass jar, a small tray with pebbles to create a peaceful and relaxing centerpiece for your tables. And viewers, my next idea is weavers. Friends, bevel photo holder. Attach a wire clip to a smooth stone. Use it to display your favorite photo, greeting card, or notes. It is simple, modern, and very useful. So friends, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. Allah Hafiz. See you.